rather have a son or a
Question. What's the question? Would you rather have a gay son? A gay son?
Why?
Because I ain't trying to have my daughter all talking about around me. I'd rather have her daughter. I'm not thinking no gay ass. They're like, yeah, her daughter. I'm not trying to hear that. No, I'd rather have a gay daughter.
That's recorded for YouTube, like.
No, I don't.
Alright, ask her
If anything, I prefer those.
Ask her the other question. Man, I told this dude ask her another question. He talking about, huh? Like what?
Yeah,
alright, watch when the fan walk up to you. I'm gonna tell him. So you gonna ask the question, or you gonna stand there like a creep?
Why?
It's a question. It's yes or no. This is yes or no. This is yes or no.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
That's a dog. You got a little dog. She said, "Yeah, boy." You cute enough to be a boyfriend?
Him?
Yeah.
I mean, you're cute.
What about me?
You're cute.
So
I got a hug.
team, so I'm like that. Say no.
We got it. Spam dubs in the comment section, yo. Hey, yo, we need everybody spam dubs in the comment section. We need to get this video to like 5K. Come on, ask them right there. You know well you would take him. Don't even lie like that. Don't even lie. Give me the.
Okay.
Would you rather have a gay son or a whole daughter?
A what?
A gay son or a whole daughter?
A gay son. Because I'm not dealing with a 15 or 13-year-old.
What about you?
Gay son.
Why?
I'm not gonna have no little slut running around.
Yeah.
Right. I'll be telling her to put on some fucking clothes.
Yeah. What's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly.
Well, Princess Kelly. That's how
That's
Bree
your
knows
Instagram?
me.
Alright, everybody follow Princess Kelly. What about you?
Mine's fuck you, Ted. FXCK.
FXCK. Alright, I have a good day.
Thank you.
Me too. I gotta edit it. Alright, so basically I gotta. Go.
No.
Why not?
I have a boyfriend.
The answer.
Why not? Like nice things.
So why he not cute enough to be a boyfriend?
Cause you don't want you. No, I just don't want a boyfriend right now. I feel like it's too much to handle.
Hey. There's too much going on over here. Alright. That's it. Alright, question for the day is, would you rather suck some dick to save your mom or get fucking ass to take it out?
I can't answer what, yo? Yo, I really can't answer that. Like, he said,
Would you suck some dick to save your mom or take it in your ass?
I really can't answer that. Like, we both got done.
I think one of the
I guess so. They both.
One or the other.
It's cool, bro. I got you.
What you gonna do?
Nothing.
She has on her mobile?
I got her. And I got her brother.
Yeah. So I'm taking care of the house.
Me? Yeah, we got it right.
Alright. Second question. Is my man speeding up the new one? Is he keeping up the new one? Okay. Alright, cut.
Say it again?
Can't wait to eat Leilani, but you record me? Yo!
I got it the first time.
Or delete that shit,
I'm
bro.
not deleting it, nigga.
You said you gonna eat her ass. You out of pocket.
You're wild, B.
You an ass eater, cuz?
Eat what?
Been eating ass.
You like the ass chips?
Ass.
Delete that shit. I don't eat ass.
I can't even put that in there. I thought that was hard. That BRZ sound good.
Delete that shit, bro.
These folk got to hear that shit, no cat.
Delete that shit, bro.
Say it.
Two kid?
Deep got that shit, no cat.
You said the fastest shit. Say it again so Gunna can hear you.
Nah, bro.
To who?
Gunna. You got to stutter too because you know he can't talk. Say these folk got to hear the shit, no
Deep got
cat.
that Hennessy, no cat.
Hear the shit.
No Hennessy, no cat. That way. Alright. And that clip.
Ooh, what the fuck am I talking about?